Yo, you guys, so today we're gonna have a look at this little tool here. This is for ear cleaning or for earwax, and I will show in a second how that's gonna work. It's pretty straightforward, honestly. So it is like this little needle-ish tool which has a camera and a little flashlight integrated, and then you are entering your ear, and then you can look where the wax is located and then you scoop it out. So for starters here, just to explain it, we got some tools. I would not use them because they don't have a camera, so you don't see what you're actually doing, and I think you can actually hurt your ear too if you use this, so you have to be careful. These are the head pieces. Always use them, clean them, and then reuse them. And here is the tool. So as you see, it kind of looks like I think like a needle or a little spoon. And then you remove the cap, and then up here is where you scoop up the wax, and then there's the camera so you can see what you're doing in here, and also a flashlight so you know what's happening. So yeah, be careful when you go into your ear, obviously, and then you can actually start doing what you're doing. See, there's the flashlight, as I said, and then you are able to move in, just like, for example, here, if that's your ear, you can see it's lighting up everything quite well, and that's how you're gonna do that. And yeah, definitely a useful tool. I will show you the app here as well, so it shows you the tutorial. I don't know if that's interesting or not, so well, it depends on what you want to do or don't want to do, and you can skip that, or you can just go through it, and then it explains you what and how you connect your tool. Yeah, don't mind me, there's some notifications and stuff going on. So we're looking for the tool here. At some point it should show up, there it is. Then you connect to it, and then it should show up in your app and should be ready to be used. Move that to the side, and go on. Yep, we did that. We did that. Okay, okay, now we are connected, and then I will show you how it works. Here are all the informations, and this is what you will see on your phone. You see the little spoon in front, and well, I'm not gonna go into my ear because I know that would be weird, but you can record what you're doing. You can take a picture in case you're seeing something that's off and you want to show your doctor or something. But yeah, you can see here's my desk, and basically that's what you're looking at. Now I will do a fist here, and we're gonna go between my fingers, as you see. Nice study. That's what I would do with the ear too. Just really slowly. Um, Try to not hurt yourself, and then you go in there. As you see, the light is bright enough, and then you're just gonna find wax, locate it, and scoop it out. That's basically what you're gonna do. And then that's it. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use, and it works. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I will see you around. My name is Badger, and I will see you in the next video.